Hello class, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to construct a box plot and how to gather information from that box plot that is important for the homework questions. Okay, so in this one it's asking me to generate a box plot, and I'm going to fill in the 5-number summary. So first thing I'm going to do is, again, I'm going to import it in StatCrunch. And then StatCrunch, instead of stat, I'm going to go to graph. I'm going to go to Boxplot. I'm going to have this go over to var1, and then I'm going to click compute, and there's my box plot. This is also called a box and whisker plot, box whiskers, but for the most part people just kind of shorthanded by calling it a box plot. Now when I hover my cursor over, you can see that it gives me the 5-number summary that I am now going to input. So I have 120, 126, 133.5, 140, and 150. So the first number was 120, 126. Then I had 133.5 and 140. I think the last one was 150. Yep, 150. Check my answer. That's good. Now it's going to ask me which box plot represents the data. Now what's difficult to see here is that my box plot is vertical and these are horizontal. But I can go up to Options, Edit, and I can tell it to make it horizontal. Now I can better compare. I can stretch it out by pulling on the borders. I see that I'm looking at about 120, 150. They all seem to do that. I'm going to look where the median is falling, right below 135. So not that one, maybe that one, probably not that one. I'm narrowing it down between these two here. This range is a little too, I'm going to go with this one. Great. Now it's going to throw you a curveball here, and it's going to ask you to generate 2 box plots. So again, what we'll do is the same thing as we did before. We're going to open it in StatCrunch. We're going to go back to Graph, Boxplot, and we're going to put both variables over. I'm going to do them in kind of the order that I see them here, male, female, so I'll go male, control, female. I'm going to ask them to draw them horizontally. Don't need that. I'm unchecking this so that it doesn't populate the box plots with any outliers. I want the whisker to go all the way out. I want to include all the data. Oh, didn't do it in the way I thought it was going to. So I'm going to edit it again. I'm going to go female, then male. Compute. There, that looks a little better. And now I can just kind of compare looking at the 2 of them. This one looks pretty good. I'm going to go with this one. Well done. Now if you see here, what I had done before that you might have missed is that I unchecked this box. If I leave that box checked, it's going to alter the length of the whiskers here, and it's going to put markers over data points that are outliers. If I don't want it to do that, like it hasn't done in the question, then I'm going to make sure that I uncheck this and then click compute. And then it's going to give me identical box plots to what I see in the question. Okay, I hope this helps out. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact me. Bye.